Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the LinkedIn Insights tag into your website and to set up basic retargeting audiences. So before you ever even run ads on any platform, when you're just getting started with your website, I would create a LinkedIn company page, which is super easy. From here, you would just go to create a company page, follow the steps. Then you would open up your advertising, and I'm going to show you. You'd create an ad account here. You'd link it to your company page, which is super simple. You just click manage and you paste the company page URL. They're linked. And then when you come in here, you'll see I haven't even done anything other than I did the pixel. So if you come into your LinkedIn ads account, go to Insight tag, go to manage Insight tag. Actually right here. I will install the tag myself. So here, you just click on the keyboard and it copies this code, and you're just going to drop this into your global footer. I think it says header or body. Oh, nope, it says footer. Okay. So then you just go back to your website, and I showed this on another one, but I installed, if you're doing WordPress or most of these sites, there's a plugin called insert header footer. And then you'll have your little code snippets, and you can just click on the header footer. You'll see all these different spots for your codes, and you can come down here and just paste the footer, that code into your footer, and save. And then you will have the LinkedIn Insights tag installed on your website. From there, I would go ahead and set up basic retargeting audiences. So I'd go into plan, and I'd go to audiences, and I would set up these 90-day and 180-day website visitors. These company page visitors aren't important because they could be retroactive, but the website visitors they don't start collecting until you set them up. So all you have to do is create audience, website, and then you select from here. So you can name it 90-day website visitor. These are your options. You have 30, 60, 90, 180 days. And then here you would say, starts with, so if this is our test website here. This is just for my experimenting. So I would say if the URL contains DigitalDemand.Consulting. So I wouldn't do start with, I would do contains. I'd make it as simple as possible. So I'd get rid of like all the extra stuff. If it contains this, and then name it and then create it. So I'd create one for 90 days. I'd create one for 180 days, and then just let it sit there. At first, if your website's new, you're not going to have a ton of traffic, but when you do want to run LinkedIn ads, you'll have all the data from anyone who's visited the last 3 months and the last 6 months. You could just get started with retargeting. So that's what I'd advise.